Hey guys, welcome to this video. So this video I'm just going to be going over kind of just like my flow and thought process with trading in the chart. We'll just go over a little review of this my best day ever, October 2nd, 25, right? 8K green on one funded. You know, if it was a couple, forget about it. But anyways, 8K green in one day on funded, so 4K cash profit that day that I did go ahead and extract. Anyways, yeah, Tengen, cool. And then anyways, I just had to write, it's just like, I don't know, I just feel the chart now. I'm reverse trading well. I'm trading CBC well. I know when not to fight the bill breaker. I know when it's a trap. I know when it's not to trade. I know CBC. I feel it living and breathing. It's incredible. Honestly, it's like I know when to reverse trade the trap and then when to not fight the bill breaker or the trend. Like, that's incredible. Yeah, this is bold. This is bold as hell. That is incredible. Like, that's like I know it, bro. At this point, like, I'm like, what do you mean? That's a market maker scam. It's being able to have everyone second guess when it's reverse trading the trap, or second guess when to fight the bill breaker or the trend or not. But I know it. Like, I know every trap. I know when to not fight the bill breaker or the trend. I know when to reverse trade the trap. I know when there's liquidity. I know like all these things. I know when to not to trade. I know CBC's on my side. It's like that's incredible. That's incredible. It really is incredible. Because yeah, that's like literally trading just right about there. Just like how I said, yeah, that's literally like trading like right just about there. I know when to reverse trade the trap and when to not fight the bill breaker or the trend. That's incredible. That's literally trading like right just there. Wow. Yeah. And then I just know and feel the chart and the traps and reverse trading and bill breakers now. Low key, my constant thought process is if I take this trade here, I'll go red. And because I've gone red on a trade like this millions of times, instead I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna go long, or I'll go short. Or when I want to short, I'll go long and reverse the trade, right? Reverse trade. And boy, has it been working most times than not. And that's my trading thought process. Like it has been. I'll just try to show you a little bit of it. Like, okay, here. Whoa. Oh wow, I'm lagging. That's crazy. That's crazy. Anyways, do you guys even see? Oh, this feels weird. I'm lagging. Anyways, so sell off here, right? Gold sell off. At this point, this is a 24% stick. 0.24% stick, 9 points on gold. It's short. I think I woke up around here and I was like, okay, this shorted. So because everyone wants this short to just keep continuing with another 0.30 stick or another 0.24% stick, that's probably really not going to happen, and that's going to be a liquidity bound squeeze out. So because I just feel it. And at this point, it is tough because in a way, it's like this is just straight up predicting a little bit in a way. Because again, trading it always a little bit kind of is, but you want to react more than you predict. But anyways, at this point in my trading career, shit is getting insane because I literally just fucking know they're not going to give you any continuation. They're not going to give you a 0.24% stick. They're not, So I'm going to long, and I held through the long, and I made money. I made money on this long. I squeezed at 2.9. I'm like, oh, the 2.9, yeah, it's gonna short. No, they fucking shit on you every time you take that. So I went against it and I made money, right? And then so that's the reverse trade. I'm reverse trading in a way, knife catching too. It's kind of not that good, but whatever. I just know. I don't know. I just fucking know sometimes. So I reverse trade, and then when it bounces here, when it hits this 220, I'm like, oh wait a second. Okay, now this bounced faster than 2.9, but there's a 220. It's almost like we're due for a 220. This is a 220 short. This is gonna reject right here at this 220. I'm pretty sure. And so in this case, this isn't a reverse. This isn't a reverse trade here. This is actually TA, like, okay, a 220 reject. Right? Let me take this trend. Let's not fight the trend here. Here, it's like, okay, I'm going to fight the trend because I go long and I make money. But here, I'm not going to fight the trend. This is the dip to a 220, huge 220 level, and it's going to short and come down. And boy, did it. I caught $1,400 bill just on this candlestick right here, this 0.17%. I literally caught that shit. I literally caught a $1,400 green bill. And I just know, I know when to reverse trade the trap, and then I know when to not fight the trend and go short right here and make money. That's how I just made bing, bong, boom. Literally, I made like 5K green on my XFA right there. $2,500 within like 20 minutes. That's incredible. That's crazy. It really is. And I just know. And again, I just kept doing it, just like scalping up, down. I know here. I know, oh, it just, it broke a pivot here. Oh no, sell off. Nope, now go long. And then it goes here, and then it goes up. And now it's, reverse trading. At this point, I'm green 8,000. And it's like, holy shit. And I did. I remember I longed this. I'm pretty sure I can remember, I think. And I made crazy money on this fucking, fake out, breakout, yanking, cranky, long back up. Because I just know every single, that's crazy. I hit every single target. That's fucking why I was my greatest fucking day ever in trading, 8K green in one day. So that's been incredible, and I just been knowing it. Again, it's like if I take this trade here, I'll go red, and so that's why I'm gonna reverse and go long. But then I know also, oh hey, there's TA here, a 220 reject. I love that setup. I've seen it so many times, so I take it. CVC was also probably red, whatever it was. So I took it, and I'm green, and just all this, like, just wow, just incredible. Yeah, if I could click this and it goes away, I think, yeah, we're cooked, whatever. Um, but it's like, you know what I'm trying to say. Wow, this thing's laggy. This is disgusting. I've never felt it like this before. But you get what I'm trying to say, and that's really it. And I just cooked it. I fried it. I traded incredibly right there. Like I really did. Like even you guys know. Like wow. I just been just incredible in that way. It really has. That really is an incredible thing. Even that last week bounce, pick up, pick up, last week bounce around here, long up. I think again, I caught that too for just adding to my 8K green, and it's just been incredible. That was a truly just incredible display of trading right here. That's why I put Teng in there. That's why I say in the chart here. That's why I'm a little, feeling myself, saying that. But, like almost for good reason, shoot, because I just like know these things almost. And it's been incredible seeing what 4 years of price action every single day and hard work has been and what it looked like and showed that day very obviously to be 8K green, 4K green profit in one day, my biggest day ever to this day, really. And yeah, so that was that, and yeah, then so yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Really good video. That's my thought process, my trading thought process, and I'll see you guys in the next one.